Hello guys and welcome back to yet another edition of National for 8th of August 2026. With you is Oluwa Korewa. In case this is the first time you're coming across this channel, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the best place to be when it comes to online Ghana Lotto prediction. If that is why you're online today, my advice for you is click on the subscribe button, like this video, and if you find anything in this video, please put it in the comment section. To all my WhatsApp, to everybody that has my WhatsApp contact, and if you don't, this is it. It's actually free. I don't charge for anything. It's simply win and reward. Let's go straight to today's plan. But before we go, please help me reach 1,000 likes. If you see I've not been posting video regularly, this is a tax I have from YouTube. Help me reach 1,000 likes so that I can post throughout. See, I got new set of charts last week and YouTube did not allow me make much videos. Can you imagine? See, spending money to buy the charts. I got all the charts I need last week, you see, but I've not been able to post. Please, what do I just need from you today? Just like this video, click on the like button. If I could get 1,000 likes, I'll be out of this mess. So please like this video for me. That being said, guys, let's dive straight into working on midweek for national. Like, you know, the culture of this channel, you know, this is on midweek board at event 634. 90 playing in last ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. 42 to play in last ball winning. On national's own board at event 3297. 90 play in last ball machine. 1, 2, 3 weeks down. 42 to play in last ball winning. When 42 plays to last ball winning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 48 should play second ball machine. After 42 play to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 48 will play second ball machine. When 48 plays second ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 48 should move from position to position. When 48 plays second ball machine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 48 should move from second ball machine to center ball machine. After I move from position to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks down, this number that plays and jump to position should turn, supply us one banker. 90 in position to code to first ball winning. If 90 code, it will give us 21. Let's treat it for advantage of those without the chart. If 90 should code, it will supply us 21. It said it should play to first ball winning. 48 turn 2 direct live. On this one, from 48 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 weeks down, 48 should turn to 84. 90 in position should code to position. After 90 code to position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 76 to play center ball winning. On board from 21 in position, play with 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks down, 76 will play center ball position winning. The following week, 33 to play first ball winning. After 76 maintain position, double 3 to maintain position. Now double 3 to maintain position and play two numbers in machine. 87 and 56. This should use 87 and 56. On national, after 33 maintain position, 87 and 56 should play in machine. Now when 87 and 56 play in machine, the following week it should play 41 to fourth ball winning. After 33 in position, 87 56 in machine, 41 played to position. Now 56 in machine to repeat to machine. 56 87 56 in machine, 56 in machine to repeat to machine, dropping us on this event. And what is the miracle worker here? 56 in machine plays and repeats 1 to billion, 56 1 to Jericho, 5-6 my banker on this one. Now it's proving only two numbers, two direct live only. And what is the second number? 57. Being supplied to us by two numbers. 33 in position supplies 57. 33 in position to supply us 57. 42 in position. Don't forget it was 42 that supplied us 48 to position, and it moved again. Now it's telling us the same 42 would supply us 57. One line two direct. It's called two direct for a reason. Just a one line two direct, landing us on this bonus win for national. And displaying on the screen right now is my prediction for national. So thank you for coming to watch this video. After studying this video with me, if you find anything you notice I did not see, nobody's an island of knowledge, please put it in the comment section. I'll work on it. Help me and other subscribers know what you study. Most importantly, like this video for me, please. Help me reach 1,000 likes so that the flag on my channel will be lifted and we will keep enjoying this good content. Please like this video for me. Help me reach 1,000 likes. Yes, if you liked the video previously, you see it didn't get to 1,000, please keep liking. And if you've not, please like this video. Just help me get 1,000 likes so that I'll be able to post enough videos. Like last week, it was really painful. Even on Tuesday, it was painful. I couldn't post on YouTube despite the fact that I have new set of charts. Please help me reach 1,000 likes. Thank you for coming to watch this video. If you would like to get the conclusion of this video, you can chat with me on WhatsApp. What are we treating on WhatsApp today? We are treating a very powerful plan on WhatsApp today. This is the plan we are treating on WhatsApp today. So feel free to chat with me. It's free to all. Win and reward.